Hello everyone, welcome to day 72 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful wheat stitch. So this stitch, it looks like a wheat grass here, forming this nice V-shaped textures on the front of the work. It's a simple 2-row repeat stitch. To start off this stitch, you will need to crochet a foundation chain of a multiple of 6 plus 3. Into the fourth chain, I'm going to start making my double crochet stitch, and I'll be making one double crochet into each of the next 5 stitches, including the chain 3, that will be 6. Now we have done 5 double crochets and the chain 3. Now we have to chain 1, skip 1 and make 5 more double crochet stitches. Again, chain 1, skip 1. At the end, you will have 6 stitches. You will have to crochet one single crochet in one double crochet into all the 6 stitches. You can see that I've crocheted 5 double crochets and I have 1 chain remaining, which will be my 6th stitch. So the starting and ending alone will have 6 stitches, but all the stitches in the middle you are going to do 5, chain 1 and skip 1. Now chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet into each of the stitches, including the chain 1 space. Make sure you make 1 single crochet into the chain 1 as well. Make sure you work the single crochet on top of the turning chain as well. Okay, so now again chain 3. Now you are going to skip the next 3 stitches and you are going to make a triple crochet on the very first row of double crochet that we did. Okay, you are going to do your triple crochet on the 3rd double crochet from 2 rows below. Okay, so make a front post triple crochet 2 rows below, and now we are going to do 1 double crochet into each of the stitches that we skipped. Okay, now you are again going to do a front post triple crochet into the same double crochet stitch that we did the previous front post triple crochet. Again make 3 double crochet stitches, chain 1, and again into the third double crochet stitch you are going to make a front post double crochet, and you are going to make 3 double crochet stitches in the stitches that we skipped. Again make a front post triple crochet and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now chain 1, again skip 3 into the third double crochet in the previous set. You are again going to make the front post triple crochet, then make 3 double crochet stitches, make another triple crochet, front post triple crochet, again 3 double crochet stitches. Make sure you crochet on the last turning chain as well. Now again you are going to do a row of single crochet stitches and then repeat the pattern again. So this is the pattern repeat, and by the end of it you should have something like this. Do try out this stitch, and if you have any doubts please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.